Welcome to Quick Tip with Joy. Today I wanted to share with you my journal that I made. It is a idea book. So what it is intended to do is to let me have ideas when I'm stuck. I have created all kinds of different things in here and added them to this journal. And then as I find things on the internet, I'll take a picture of it and say, ooh, I want to do this, and this is what it is, and this is how you make it. But it has every idea that you could possibly think of, and more. And so as I find more things, I just keep adding and adding and adding to it. I also, in my Facebook group, it's a private Facebook group, I just stuff stuff in here too as I find ideas. But in my Facebook group, which is a private Facebook group, I did add a whole series of how I made the journal from scratch for beginners. It's for a beginner book. And then from there, it took me like 13 series to do it. And so it's more or less for a newbie, a new beginner that hasn't got anything, had never done a journal. It shows you how to completely make a journal, and it gives you every idea for it. So this is a great idea for you to look back on when you get stuck, when you need new ideas. And I hope that you like the idea. There's lots of items in here, using that as a tab template. That's a cereal box. So anything that you like. And I left space here for me to add in more items. So anyway, as I go along, it's a very wide, 5 inches wide. I suggest you do not ever do that because it is really way too wide. I would suggest you make no more than a 3-inch journal and add, if you need another journal, add another journal in. But this one's really just a little bit too wide. Anyway, I hope you like my tip, and if you do, please give me a share, like it, and if you would like to see more from me, subscribe and ring the bell. You'll get a notification, and I hope that you have a great day. Remember, your day is full of choices, so choose joy.